वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। जपजी साहिब 7वीं पौड़ी। जे जुग चारे आरजा होत सुनी होई, नवखंडा विच जानिए नाल चले सब कोई। चंगा नाउ रखाए कि जिस कीरत जगले, चेतिस नदर न आवे ते बात न पूछे की। कीटा अंदर कीट करे दोषी दोस्त रे, नानक निर्गुण गुण करे गुणवंतिया गुण ते। तेहा कोई न सिझे चेतिस गुण कोई करे। जे जुग चारे आरजा होर दसूनी होए. It means that if one's age is increases 4 folds or even 10 folds, नवखंडा with जानिए नाल चले सब कोई. If one gathers name and fame in all the 9 continents of the world and everyone follows that person, चंगा नाव रखाई के जस कीरत जगले, that person becomes very famous and gathers lots of name and fame. जेतिस नदर न आवे ते बात न पूछे के. But if that person does not come under the notice of the Creator, Supreme Personality of Godhead, that Almighty God, if he does not win the grace of that great good God, then what is of the use of all this? जेतिस नदर न आवे ते बात न पूछे के. If the one does not win the grace of God, then all that name fame is useless. कीटा अंदर कीट कर दोषी दोष धरे, then that person is even a tiniest worm among all the worms in the world, because that person has not won the grace of that Creator, Almighty God. Kita under Kitkar dosi dosdare. And when that person goes to Almighty God and has to answer him for his karmas, then he is accused of forgetting the name of the Almighty God. Nanak nirgun gun kare gunvantiya gun de. That Almighty God, that Creator, is so much wonderful that He makes the non-virtuous virtuous. He gives virtues to the ones who do not have virtues. Nanak nirgun gun kare gunvantiya gun de. And those who are already virtuous, He blesses them even with more virtues. Teha koi na sujai jetis gun koi kare. Leaving that one Supreme Personality of Godhead, leaving that one Creator, there is no one who can give a single virtue to anyone. So that is what is being told in this pauri. Waheguru ji ka khalsa, Waheguru ji ki fateh.